One of the common requests I get from flat earthers is to take an aircraft and fly directly over the South Pole and record the flight on video. Well, it seems in just over 3 days' time, they are about to get their wish because there will be an attempt to break the world record for a transpolar circumnavigation. So the current world record for a transpolar circumnavigation was set in 2008 in a Bombardier Global Express business jet aircraft, the same model that I fly. These aircraft have international range and operate at higher altitudes and faster speeds than typical airliners, so they are ideal for these world record breaking attempts. On this website, Transpolar 08, you can see more information about this record breaking flight, including the route and videos and photographs from the trip. In 3 days' time, they will be attempting to break the world record set by Transpolar 08 in a Gulfstream G650 aircraft. This is a similar model to the Bombardier Global Express, however it does have greater range and significantly is much faster to refuel to full capacity. I'm not rated on the Gulfstream, but I was flying with a pilot yesterday who is rated on Gulfstream and Bombardier aircraft, and he was telling me that this model aircraft can be refueled in about half the time it takes to fill a Global Express, and that is going to give them a significant advantage on this record-breaking attempt. These are the details of the flight, commencing at the Kennedy Space Center, flying over the North Pole to Kazakhstan, south to Mauritius, over the South Pole to Punta Arenas, and north back to the Kennedy Space Center. Two of the sponsors for this world record attempt are Satcom Direct and Inmarsat, and I'm personally familiar with these technologies as we use them on our own aircraft for onboard Wi-Fi connectivity so that we have internet all over the earth, and also for satellite phones so that the passengers can make phone calls no matter where we are. Now, thanks to this technology, the One More Orbit world record attempt will be live streamed on this YouTube channel. So please head on over and subscribe, and let's show them our support. And just prior to making this video, I contacted the organisers of this event just to find out a bit more information, and they will be sending me additional documentation on the trip. So I'll share that with you as soon as it is received. But before I go, I just want to give a shout out to Where's Wally for making me aware of this flight, and also to DMC1. So thanks a lot for that, guys.